Dhammakaya Getiya, the embodiment of the Triple Gem. How can you become one part of the Dhammakaya Getiya, and the Dhammakaya Getiya can become a part of you? Ever since ancient times, Buddhists have always come together to build holy sanctuaries known as Getiya, stupa, or pagodas, as models of the cosmos in order to pass down to younger generations the knowledge of the Triple Gem in its entirety, together with spreading of the way of practice, so that there might never be a time in the future for Buddhism to disappear from the world. For this same reason, the tradition of the Dhammakaya Getiya is now to be restored to the modern world upon the site of the World Dhammakaya Center as a symbol of the majestic grandeur and pridelessness of the Lord Buddha's teachings. The Dhammakaya Getiya is hemispherical in design, following the architectural style of the oldest surviving Indian Buddhist Getiya at Sanji. It has been tradition of Buddhists since ancient times to build Buddha images in temple ground as an act of devotion and in homage and recollection of the supreme virtues of the Lord Buddha. In the form of the body of the enlightenment of the Lord Buddha to take its place inside the Dhammakaya Getiya. On this important and auspicious occasion, you have in your hand the opportunity to perpetuate the elegant tradition of your ancestors and Buddhists of old day by creating a Buddha image in the form of the body of the enlightenment of the Lord Buddha to take its place inside the Dhammakaya Getiya. The symbolic design of the Dhammakaya Getiya exemplifies the inseparable unity of Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. The Triple Gem, which is the ultimate refuge of humankind, section by section in the following ways. Section 1. A hemispherical dome marks the peak of the Getiya, with the terrace base forming concentric circles below. The dome is 108 meters in diameter and contains the relics of the Lord Buddha and a 4.5 meter high Buddha image casted from 14 tons of sterling silver in homage to the first of the Triple Gem, the Buddha. Section 2. The broad peripheral terraces are in homage to the second of the Triple Gem, the Dhamma, which bring limitless peace and happiness to the people of the world. Section 3. The broad expanse of land up to the boundary edge of the Getiya is in homage to the third of the Triple Gem, the Sangha, and is designed as a sanctuary for monks and novices to practice meditation during important religious ceremonies. Dhammakaya Getiya, the Buddhist artistic criterion, was built in homage to the Lord Buddha. The constructions are of special innovative engineering techniques and material to withstand time for 1,000 years to come. Beneath the ground, a total of 3,333 foundation piles support the weight of the pagoda surface. Each of these piles has stainless steel cover, which is 6.5 meters in length, to protect them from erosion caused by acid. A further 100,000 platform piles reinforce the Getiya. Through intense research, the finest quality concrete was discovered and used throughout the construction. The high-quality granite selected from the world-best granite mine was used for covering the Sanka stage, which provided durability, consistent color, and quick transmission of heat. In Buddha images installed on the external and internal part of the Getiya are made of silicon bronze, using ceramic shell casting technology that incorporates 3 cores, 1 each of nickel, titanium, and gold respectively. Systems were designed for the most efficient heat, moisture, ventilation, and flood control, as well as adequate earthquake protection. It is no more than miraculous that the Dhammakaya Getiya can come into existence in our own day and age, a landmark and a focus for the convergence of the people of the world to study the path to enlightenment, the final solution to the creation of lasting peace upon our planet. Those benefactors who contributed donations to dedicate his or her own Dhammakaya Buddha image will have their name inscribed on the front page of the image and be endowed an inspiration with the power to protect against and overcome all obstacles and perils, wealth and prosperity, personal beauty, radiance and endearment to all, right understanding of the world, and for rightness and steadfastness in Dharma practice. So, don't overlook the chance of the lifetime to claim for your own Buddha image. The dome and the concentric terraces are covered with a total of 300,000 18 centimeters high Buddha images. A further 700,000 such images are in the process of being installed inside the Dhammakaya Getiya. According to Paracha Pavanavisud, Lumpur Tamashayu, each Buddha image resembles the founder, Dhammakaya, which is our inner body. The images embodies all characteristics of the great man and appear regal. The Buddha yellow robe was made to fit tightly, revealing the magnificence of the great man. The bronze images of the Dhammakaya will be 18 centimeters tall and are available to become your own personal contribution to the building of the Dhammakaya Getiya. After the casting process is finished, the Dhammakaya Buddha images will then be coated with real gold by iron plating, an electrical process to give the images a long-lasting sheen. The name of the patron for each image will be inscribed upon the base of every Buddha image he or she has created, in order to bring prosperity and blessing to their lives. You will be moved with pride and joy whenever you recollect the magnitude of your generosity in becoming patron to the creation of a Buddha image for the Dhammakaya Getiya, as you have on this occasion. As the object of respect for countless future generations, a recollected image of the Buddha that will never perish from the center of your mind as you continue to practice in the footsteps of the Lord Buddha.